Worried about your Gmail account lingering on your Android phone after you're done with it? Don't be. Today, I'll show you how to safely and completely remove your Gmail account from your Android device, step by step, ensuring your privacy and security. First, let's head into your phone settings. Look for the gear-shaped icon, usually labeled Settings. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find Accounts or Accounts and Backup. It might vary slightly depending on your Android version, but it's usually in the middle of the list. Tap on Accounts now. You'll see a list of all the accounts connected to your phone. Find the Google account, the one with your Gmail address, that you want to remove and tap on it. On the account management screen, you should see an option like Remove Account, or sometimes it's represented by 3 dots where you'll find the Remove option. Tap on that. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you're sure you want to remove the account. This is your last chance to back out. Remember, this will remove the account and its associated data from your phone, like contacts and calendar events synced with that account. If you're certain, tap Remove Account again to confirm. Your phone might ask for your PIN, pattern, or password to verify it's you, and that's it. Your Gmail account has now been successfully removed from your Android phone. Removing your Gmail account is a simple way to protect your privacy. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more Android tips. Thanks for watching.